Hey guys, Carlo here. Today we're gonna talk about what is copywriting. So basically, copywriting it's the art of writing in order to sell. So as different as just writing, where you just put your words or you tell a story, it's the main purpose of copywriting is making the sell, making people to click, persuading a person in a way that it takes an action, a specific action that you want. So we see copywriting everywhere, but maybe you don't notice. If you see the billboards on the street, if you see any Facebook ad, if you see any Facebook post, any Instagram content post, you're gonna see copywriting. Why? Because through the power of words, you give people a message in order to invoke some feeling, something that you want people in order to take, to look, to do, to think about. So basically it's persuading people in a way that they do a positive action. I know a lot of you guys might be thinking like, I don't want to persuade people, I don't want to influence people, because the word persuasion has given like a negative connotation for all these years. Because when you think about persuasion, you might think of, okay, it's making people do something that they don't want to do. But I see it more in a way of, if I do have, let's say that I have gold, I have a cure, I have something that I need everyone to have. It's something that I truly believe that it's good, that it's gonna help a lot of people out. Wouldn't you use all these persuasion techniques in order to get it to them? Let's say that you have the cure for something, you have something that is going to resolve all your problems, or one specific problem that I see that you're burning. I see people that are struggling so much with one thing, and I have the answer, but somehow I tell them, hey, I have the answer, like, get it, you just need to do this, like, please listen at me. And you're talking to them and people are just looking away. It's like they're looking away, they're not looking at you. And the more that you tell them like, hey, I got the answer, you're gonna solve all your problems with this, or this specific problem with this thing that I have, that I discovered, but they don't pay attention to you. Is it worth it, right? So persuasion, copywriting, is knowing how human beings work, knowing why people pay attention to certain stuff, why people stop scrolling down and click. So besides all those spammy words that you see out there, like click here and become millionaire and all that stuff, it's more of a human behavior thing, in which you understand how human beings work, why we buy, why we behave the way we behave. So you study all these things in order to give people the answer that you have, in order to give people all these good things. So you, besides being a writer, you are a marketer, you are a psychologist. You need to understand human behavior. You need to understand why people click, why they don't click, why people buy, why they don't buy, and use these tools in your favor in order to give them this good thing that you have. And copywriting, it's a huge skill, is one of the highest paid skills out there, because nowadays everything needs copywriting. Every video that you see, there's a script. Everything that you see, every company needs copywriting for the web page, for their sales funnel, for their emails, for everything. Copywriting is everywhere, and the good thing about it is that you can start right on today just with a laptop and your fingers. It doesn't matter if you are bad at grammar. It doesn't matter if you haven't written anything in your life before. You can start doing copywriting right now. That's why I do all these free trainings, all these free videos. So if you want to see more of these free trainings in the future, please click subscribe. I'm doing this in order to help people out, because this topic is a huge passion for me. I'm a marketer by nature, and copywriting is my vehicle in order to get to people because I love writing. One day I noticed, like, okay, when I'm doing this stuff, I'm always thinking about when am I gonna finish. I was thinking about my break, like, okay, in my break I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna watch this movie and do all this stuff, when I'm not doing it. But when I found myself doing copywriting, I just thought, like, I could do this every single day. Like, I get more energy. I'm not thinking about my breaks. I'm not thinking about watching a movie before. I'm not thinking about my vacations and my free time. I'm thinking just about this, and I want to do it more and more, and I feel more energized. So for me, that was like my clicking point. I was like, these 3 hours that I've spent writing, it went so quick that I thought it was like 5 minutes. But when I do all this other stuff, it's just like a drag. So if you like writing, if you like marketing, if you like human behavior, if you are really interested in why people buy, why they do what they do, if you have a message and you wanna get it out to the world, if you truly think that you have something important to say to help people out in certain thing, then do copywriting. Copywriting is the science of getting the message out through words, through images, through videos. So I hope you liked it. I hope it's really, really clear. If you want to see more free training, subscribe. I actually did a free PDF where I say 101 headlines, which is the main thing from copy. Is the thing that makes the difference between people seeing your stuff and not seeing it at all, from 100 different niches. So if you're working with any niche, you can use it as an example. You can use the same headline for your offers, for anything that you want. If you don't want to put your email, that's totally okay. You can send me a private message and I'll send it to you. So I hope you liked it. I hope it's clear to you guys. And let's go. Let's start this journey out. Bye.